Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Fender jazz-based Aerodyne coming in for some electronic work. Initially, I thought it's only one port, but it's all the electronics. The three ports together with the output jack needs to be swapped out. After that, I checked whether the guitar needs to do a setup work. So when I checked on the 12th fret on the bass side, it was 3.5, 3.6, which is pretty high. I asked him whether he wants to do it. He says, okay, can. So I brought it down to 2.25 to 2.5. This will make the bass a bit more playable, a bit more comfortable for him to play. Yeah, so that's it. Watch the entire of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, boss. So bass is done. There's a few things. Number one is I changed out all the ports. Previously, this is 250k ports. It was supposed to be 500. So I swapped out all to 500. Then after that, for the output jack, is crackling. Later you can see from the picture it's a bit oxidized, so you may want to consider changing that. As for the setup, if you want, you can do a pro setup as well. The strings at the 12th fret is actually 3 mm. The best that I can do for you is around 2.5 to 2.75. This will make the feel a bit more smooth and a bit more comfortable for you to play. Okay, so this is the test for the electronics. So the front one here is for the neck, the middle one is for the bridge, and the one at the back here is for master tone. So we're gonna test the front one here. Off. Tone. Off. Tone on. Bridge on. Tone off. Tone on. And off volume. And pretty much that's it for the output jack. Okay, let me just so yeah, it's quite noisy. Let me know if you want to change. I have the parts. I'm going to use Switchcraft parts for that. Let me know if you want to do. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, that's all for now. I see you when I see you. If you want to contact me for my guitar work or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.